Hello, my name is Noah Taplin. I'm a technical sales intern at Omron Automation. In this video, I'll be covering one of Omron's flagship safety products, the F3SG-SR safety light curtains. I'm going to be showing you how to enable the external device monitoring via our intelligent tap, and then how to safely remove the intelligent tap from the safety systems afterwards. I'll demonstrate how to connect the intelligent tap to a separate set of light curtains for an easy transfer of programming from one device to the next. If you have a safety controller or monitoring relay, you're likely already using EDM and may not need to enable this feature in the F3SG-SR. For this reason, by default, the F3SG-SR light curtain comes with EDM disabled. Let's get started and enable our EDM. So first off, after removing your Bluetooth on your intelligent tap, we're looking at your dip switches on your intelligent tap device. You're going to make sure that the dip switch 1 is turned on while the rest of your dip switches are turned off. You can manually disable the EDM function using the dip switches, but for this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to go through the associated program on the PC. Configuration using the dip switches can be found on the product datasheet at automation.omron.com. Now, we are going to be connecting to the safety light curtains. This is done by opening up SD Manager 3, the program associated with your F3SG-SR light curtains, and scanning for your specific curtains. Now we're in the SD Manager 3 interface. Notice all of the different applications that you can use and the information displayed about your specific light curtains. Omron's easy-to-use interface allows for easy configuration and use of your F3SG light curtains. Before we enable the EDM, as a precautionary act, I'm going to reset my ITAP before reprogramming it and transferring data to other light curtains. This makes the transfer of information more straightforward, and the light curtain is less likely to have malfunctions. So, to reset the ITAP, first turn off the power switch, then we're going to remove the CN1 and CN4 cables. These are the cables associated with your safety curtains emitters and receivers. Then twist counterclockwise with a little bit of force to remove the cables from the ITAP. Then, with the CN2 cable still connected, turn on power and connect directly to the intelligent tap. This can be done via USB-C cable or in the demonstration, Bluetooth. Next, we're going to clear the data from the ITAP through SD Manager 3. We're going to reset the ITAP to factory setting. So once connected, click the key icon at the top of the page to log on to Administrator. With a password of 0000, you're able to access. Now we're in setting mode for the ITAP. Now from the menu, click Setting Initialization. Then set ITAP to factory default setting, and exit setting mode and go back to the main screen. Now, looking at your light curtains, you're going to reconnect your CN1 and CN4 cables. These can be a little bit tricky. There's a solid metal line on the cables that will click into place when properly connected and switch power on. Now your ITAP has been reset. This applies to those users seeking to reset their ITAP before enabling EDM. Now to enable the EDM on your light curtains. We're going to sign back in onto our SD Manager 3 to enable the EDM on your device. Notice how we are in detecting mode. We need to change to setting mode. This is done by clicking on the login key icon, clicking Administrator with the standard password of 0000. Now we are in setting mode and can configure our safety curtains. From here, under the menu option, under the I/O setting tab, click Interlock/External Device. Here we can configure our EDM and interlock settings. Under your I/O settings, you have the option to enable or disable your EDM, and also change your allowable delay time, and this ranges from 0.1 to 4 seconds. We also have the option to change our interlock settings. For this demonstration, we're not going to alter the interlock settings, but just enable the EDM. So click the Enable button and the Right Configuration button with your up arrow to write your configuration. In SD Manager, under I/O setting, we're going to be enabling our EDM. So we're going to click Enable and then go to the icon Right Configuration. SD Manager highlights what we've altered in the programming. So after this, we're going to click on Write. We're going to click Yes when the icon pops up. And then after this, we're going to click on the monitor icon to go back to detecting mode. After we've done this, click on the top page to go back to the main menu, and you've successfully enabled your EDM.